Hey everybody, I just finished grading all the discussion posts and I'm really happy with what you guys did. I'm really appreciating how much thought you're putting into your comments, not only to start the discussion, but back and forth to each other. I think that that's one of the really important things about an English class and a writing class. It might not seem like it's related to essay writing at first, but the basic principle of getting into a written dialogue with other people is what college writing is all about. Sometimes it'll be with people like your peers, like you're doing right now, and sometimes it'll be with expert sources where they've had their work published and reviewed already. So I think that it's a really good thing that you guys are doing, and I'm really happy with the writing I'm seeing so far. I'm going to put up the specific instructions for essay number 1 tonight. Now, that doesn't mean that I want you to get started right away on the actual essay, but I would like you to start considering how you might answer the prompt question, and also what kinds of evidence and what kinds of things, examples, quotes from the podcast that you'd like to start using to support your thesis statement. On Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to be just working on each step of the writing process. We're going to start with an outline, move on to a rough draft, and then finally, of course, turn in the final draft. Now, you're going to get some comments from your peers, just like in the discussions we've done so far, and you're also going to get comments from me on each step of these essays. So I definitely want to say you guys are off to an awesome start. I really like what I'm seeing. I have some pretty high expectations for the type of work you're about to produce, so you should feel good about that. The quizzes and the discussions are going to end up being a little more challenging and a little more detailed in the future. Just a quick heads up, but they're going to be similar in the sense that I will be asking you sort of simple questions and asking you to respond to other people's responses as well. However, we're going to start mixing up the way you respond, and I'm going to start looking more carefully at how you respond, what kinds of language, rhetorical, and academic skills you're using in each of these. So we're off to an awesome start. I love what I'm seeing. I'm probably going to finish grading the pre-writing tomorrow, so you'll get my comments on those, and that'll give you some stuff to think about and to work on for your outline. So as always, let me know if you have any questions. We're also going to have our actual first conference next week. So we'll start doing those twice a week, 1 hour. I'm just going to open up a chat room basically, and then you guys can come join it if you'd like to. You can speak to me through this. You can type me notes. Whatever you're most comfortable with is fine with me. And that'll just give us a good opportunity to make sure that you're feeling comfortable and you're feeling like you're on track to be successful. All right, guys, until next time.